Okay, so welcome back, guys. I hope you had a great trading day yesterday. Most of the stocks went down. The market had a free fall yesterday, so market was down a lot, and most of the stocks I bought uh, hit my stop loss. So that's the part of the game. Okay, so before we begin, so the current open positions are only I only have two current open positions: the Tata Communication, GoKix, FL. It hit my stop. 2 3 stocks were there in my holding. All of them hit my stop, so I took a loss on them. Overall, the market is bearish. You can see it broke down from the 50-day EMA. Currently, I'm not willing to take any new positions because the market is bearish now. You can see. In Nifty mid cap also, it's heading towards 10-day EMA. So again, it is more downside is possible. So I'm still not convinced to buy go huge position. So still, these are some watch list. I'm not going to buy 100% positions. Let's say if I want to buy like 10,000 shares, so I will buy only 1,000 or 2,000 shares. It's just a starter position. I'm not going to risk more than that in this type of conditions. So such markets are meant to sit out or pay in cash. This was Kolte Patel, again huge momentum stock. Even Metallic, it tried to break out on Friday, but it failed. You can see here it failed quite hard. So I didn't bought it, but just telling you. Same for JKIL, huge momentum, and it is going sideways. Okay, so this setup can work in any market, but the failure rate will also increase. Okay, so this setup can work. It's not like that it won't work at all, but the failure rate will increase. Suppose if the setup is having 30% of win rate, like okay, so let me tell you, my overall win rate is 20 to 25% only, but my risk to reward is like 7 to 8, 7 is to 1. Means I am risking 1 rupee to make potential 7 rupees. So even with 25% win rate, I am extremely profitable. So this setup is almost 30 to 31% win rate of this setup. But in this bearish market cycle, the win rate will automatically decrease up to 15 or 10%. So it's better to stay in cash or reduce the positions. I think that's the way to survive. Not we cannot make money every day in the market. Even option traders don't make money in the market every day. So again, this stock has no volume, so I'm going to remove it. Red gain looks good. Still getting tight. Yeah, it looks good. If it goes inside day tomorrow, I will just buy it on the market order. Okay, so the next candle something looks like this. That's of Monday, which is inside this one and this one. So I will buy it on Tuesday with potential stop loss of this 560 area. Okay, so it because it has a huge momentum and it can go up. JSW Energy, again big momentum, and it pulled back to 10-day EMA. Let's see what does it do next. Prakash Pipes, same. Again it volume fell down, so I am going to remove it. Protein Shipyard looks good. This whole sector, shipping sector is strong, so again it can perform. Veto, yeah, there is volume. Volume really picked up from here. You can see volume really picked up, so it can go up. Same for TBZ, volume is there and movement is there. Amber, Monarch, Jyoti Labs. Okay, so in this breakout, it didn't perform very much. So after this breakout, it can go up. well, because there is a setup called three bases, base on base, something like that, mentioned by William O'Neill. So if we get three bases like this, probability of going up increases. I will wait for the breakout and enter. Next one is J-Corp. Extremely huge volumes are there. Next one is Thomas Cook. Yeah, there is volume and momentum. Tata Communication, range. Heritage Food, still in range. MedPlus, still in range. RVNL, still in range. Mother's range. Yeah, it's making a huge base here. You can see. Extremely big base. TCS going sideways. So a big move can be inevitable. 361. Yeah, it looks good. Britannia again taking support on 200 period EMA. Credit access looks good. Okay, so the stock that broke out on Friday was this one, Electcast, but I didn't bought it because the candle was extremely huge. The stock will be of like almost 12%, so it's better to avoid such stocks. Okay, so try to buy stocks which are only up like less than 6% or less than 7% up on the day. HR Motors getting tight, Sonata Software, IPCA Labs, Intent Tech. Okay, so these are the stocks I'm watching for the next week, but most probably I won't buy anything because the market is currently bearish, so it's better to sit in cash than lose money. So thank you guys.